Yo, what's going on, everybody? This video could be a little sweet, but it's gonna be a drawn liquidity kind of masterclass, I guess. I'm really just gonna go over the easiest draw on liquidity that you can ever have. So when it comes to the markets, right, or like ICT trading, I guess you can say, it's very hard to a lot of people they try to be a pattern trader, if I would say. So like if somebody sees, like, this is a perfect example. This is a perfect example. And I got caught in this, actually. I really got caught in this, and I'm going to explain why I got caught in it. And yeah, but this here, right? This is a breaker. And I'm going to get into the draw real soon. This is obviously a breaker. Okay. Now, somebody who sees this, they're going to be like, yo, this looks like a long position. I actually took this, right? And I got stopped out at break even because these equal highs up here, that was my target. And also this civvy here, these were my targets. But what I've noticed is, in going back through my video that I was recording throughout the whole session, was I only had one draw, and once my draw got hit, I was looking for entry patterns or reversal. And obviously I'm going to mark out 930. 930 was right here. So before 930, we had two areas of liquidity, which is like right here, and obviously these equal lows, right? So these were obviously my draws for the day, right? This one already got tagged. And all I was doing was waiting on a reversal. But what I did not know when I tried to enter off this breaker and this BISI was the draw was lower. It was completely lower. If we go to the daily, you can see that in that time period, we came down and take out this low, right? And this was the actual draw for the day, right? But what I was lacking, right, and hopefully you guys can learn from my mistakes as well, was the draw, right? So it's not that I was wrong, but I was missing a step in my process of my trading, which was my draw on liquidity. But before you guys hop on the charts, it's not, you don't have to really look for a setup. It should automatically point out to you. So if I'm looking at this chart right here, and I say, what's likely to be tagged, right? Let's not look at the right side of the chart. You know, I am going to be using hindsight. I see that these highs look relatively equal, right? And what points out to me is these lows, which basically got taken, right? But the reason why I'm pointing them out is because they're relatively equal. But not only am I like, I'm not looking for entry patterns. I'm looking for basically I'm looking for equal highs and equal lows. I'm just going to keep it that simple. Like, these are going to be your best runs on liquidity. Like, especially like these highs right here. Once price reverses, this is going to be an easy draw. Easy draw. I'm telling you guys right now, easy draw. And it got tagged. These lows down here, easy draw. You see how relatively equal they are? These are going to be your best opportunities to get a nice run on low resistance liquidity. And you can see these lows and these highs. I'm pretty sure it gets taken. No, it does not. But even in the start of London session, right? When London session started its protraction stage, right? Running up, we created these equal lows here. And it just gets tagged. And then after that, it just starts to go bamboozling, bro. But your easiest draws on liquidity are going to be equal highs and equal lows. That's it. That it's the best. You don't have to go to a bigger time frame. You don't have to look at anything like that. It would be best to do that. But I'm telling you, like, this is the easiest way you can possibly trade. Is before you hop in the charts, where's the draw? It's going to be the equal lows. Equal lows all the time, especially in the AM session. Let's go back to this day. I think today, that day was choppy as hell. But you guys are going to see a pattern. It happens almost every single day. these lows right here every single day. These highs right here, relatively equal. In training your eye to see this, it will become natural. It will become natural, like, okay. And this is where your effective tape reading will come into place, is when you're on your charts and you're looking at it and you're looking for something specific at a specific time. Yeah, I can maybe go deeper into that, or, if really people are requesting that, I can provide that. But guaranteed, equal lows are always going to be your draw. Always, always, always. Usually it can be London session highs, London session lows, anything like that. Even here, same thing over and over again. London lows, relatively equal. Even London highs, relatively equal. You don't have to catch the whole move. This can be your model, just looking for equal highs and equal lows based off time, right? 7 o'clock we drop. Where's the draws? Where are the equal highs? Here. It's every single day. And I promise you guys, you align this with time and you know how to use time effectively, it will work every single time. But what I'm doing is I'm training my eye to see what they actually look like. Sometimes they're not going to look this equal, right? Sometimes they're not going to look like that. Sometimes they're going to look like maybe something like this, where it's like a trend line, I guess, right? But train your guys' eye to see low resistance liquidity. Even here, look how relatively equal these lows are. And this blue box is actually London session, like all of London session. So, and yes, I am trading futures, but these lows right here, relatively equal. I'm pretty sure we purged that. Let's keep on going backwards. Let's keep on going. These lows, even these highs, and even these highs, relatively equal. These are going to be your best runs on liquidity, your best market maker models. And Forex is very difficult because, man, I don't know. I don't know about Forex, but yeah, these equal highs taken, ran through. These highs, these lows look good. I remember trading this day, but training your eye to see lows and highs like this will give you great runs on low resistance liquidity. And even here, same thing, relatively equal, right? We're not even getting into time, but what I'm doing is I'm showing you guys not necessarily a framework, but how consistent it can be to tag equal highs and equal lows every single day. And especially in the AM session, every single day. And yeah, I think that's going to conclude this video.